Hey guys, welcome to Just Be Handy. Today it's time to change the air filter on this Subaru. This is a 2017 Subaru Outback, and this filter is a Wix filter 49012, and then this filter is the Subaru 16546AA12A, and you could tell there's difference in pleats, but the overall size is the same. This one is made by Denso, and Wix is a Man and Hummel company. Anyways, I used the Wix previously, and that's what you'll see coming out of here, and it works really well. But if you want to stick with the OE, this is kind of what you would get, the Subaru filter for that. Alright, next I'll go into what you need to do to take the filter out. Okay, to get the filter out, just undo these tabs, pull it back slightly, and then up. And then you could pull it away, and then you just wiggle the filter out. That gets the old filter out. Now you'd think it's clean, but this is really the side where all the things come in, and look at all those bugs. This filter has been in here for about 25,000 miles, but I just thought it was time to change it. Alright, I will use the OE filter. Okay, now that I have the air filter out, you could see there's little tabs down there that this piece will go into. Also, make sure you don't disturb this mesh here. It helps with laminar flow, and then for the sensor to be able to pick up the right amount of airflow through here. So you really don't want to mess with this mesh here, but you do want to clean anything that you find in there. And what I usually do is just take a microfiber cloth and just kind of swipe that out, or you could take a vacuum and just suck up whatever is in there. Make sure no rodents get in there and so on, and you'll be fine. And then you could put the new filter in, Subaru filter, for the next go around. Okay, I'm just cleaning everything inside of here the best I could. If you really wanted to go overboard, you could take off this front portion and clean it out, but just a rag getting all the dust out of there will just do fine. What you could do is get your fingers underneath, pull back like this, put the new filter in, then you just make sure the lower tabs go in, so you'd come at an angle and straight down. There we go. And then that should get close. Then there's a couple of tabs to look at. One from this side here. You want to see that they come together. Again, make sure everything is close, that the tabs are in at the bottom. And then when you push it together, these should come. This will cradle here, so you know you're far enough down. And then you just put the tabs on. And guys, there you have it. Everything is tightened up. The new filter is in place. Double check, pull on the bottom, make sure it doesn't come off. But that's an air filter change right there. In the description below, I will have the part numbers for those filters and quick links. I will also suggest some other filters that will work well. But that's all it took for an air filter change, guys. Hope you like. Give us a thumbs up, and God bless.